Hello class 9, welcome to your geography class. This is a very important video because in this video I am going to inform you about the reduced syllabus for your final examinations, because you all know that in the final examinations question paper is going to come from the council. So council has reduced the syllabus a little bit. So here I have listed down the deleted portions of the syllabus. But let me tell you that in most of the cases, council have omitted or deleted some of the topics from the syllabus. In very few cases, council have reduced the whole chapter or the full chapter. Okay, so let me tell you the deleted something about the deleted portions. The first one is Earth as a planet, the first chapter of the textbook. So in this case the full chapter has been deleted or the full chapter has been omitted from your syllabus. Next is time sums. Okay, we have done the chapter, that is geography grid, but we have not done the time sums. I told you people that later on we will learn those. Okay, so now there is no need to learn the time sums because the time sums are not there anymore, but the rest of the chapter is there. Okay, similarly the topic related to great circle and small circle, that what is great circle, what is small circle, what are the advantages of great circle, the difference between great circle and small circle. So everything related to great circle and small circle is deleted or omitted from the syllabus, but my dear children, the rest of the things of the chapter are there. Okay, next is landforms of the earth. So this whole chapter has been deleted. Next is rock cycle. So in the chapter of rock, the last portion is rock cycle. So that is not there. We are yet to do this chapter. So when we will do this chapter, we will leave out this portion. Next is denudation. So there is a chapter weathering and denudation. Weathering portion we have already done and in class 8, and denudation I am yet to do, but it has already been deleted, so we need not have to do that. Next is circulation pattern of ocean currents. This is a portion of a chapter, so this portion we will not do, rest of the chapter is there. Next is jet streams. Jet stream is also there in a chapter as a topic, it is not a whole chapter. So in whichever chapter jet stream is there, I think circulation pattern of air, in that chapter jet stream is there. The chapter where the planetary winds, westerly winds, all those wind system are there, in that chapter jet stream is there. So rest of the chapter you have to learn, be very careful about that, only jet stream is not there. Okay, next is difference between relative and absolute humidity is not there. What is relative humidity, what is absolute humidity is there, but the difference is not there, and the rest of the chapter as it is there. Okay, now the next thing is condensation. So we have a chapter humidity and precipitation, and I suppose that we have already done in class 8. So in that chapter everything related to condensation has been deleted. That is, what is condensation, what are the different forms of condensation, all these have been reduced or deleted or omitted. Last but not the least, that is natural region. Natural region is a big chapter. So from the chapter of natural region only 3 portions are there, that is the equatorial region is there, the tropical desert is there, and tropical monsoon region is there. Rest of the portions of natural regions has been deleted. Mind it. So children, be very careful. That is, I have listed down over here only the deleted portions. I am telling you only 2 chapters, that is earth as a planet and landforms of the earth, has been fully deleted, but for rest of the things the chapters are there, only for some chapters certain topics has been deleted, not the whole chapters. So please don't get confused. Okay. And last but not the least, for natural regions, as because for class 9 we have to do the world map. So when we will do the world map for the natural regions, we will only do the equatorial region, the tropical monsoon and the tropical desert. For the climatic region, we need not have to do the rest of the ones. Okay. Thank you. In my next video, I will be uploading the question answers of one more chapter. So for the time being, be happy with that lot of things has been deleted from your syllabus. Thank you.